Put some air. Why is it not working? I mean, I don't know. I mean, it spins, everything, why is it not, I totally don't, oh. Okay. Alright, I found a cord. Let's see if this will work here. Well, why is it not working? Oh. It might help you ease right in, right? Let's just try to get this in. Would you just get in there? Alright. We don't need these foot. It's not, it's so thick it's gonna just stand up on its own. Alright, let's plug this in and see how much CFMs we can move now, right? Let's turn this puppy to off. And we got a elastic blade in there because we need the 8,000 CFM. We need the 8,000 CFM of air this thing's gonna move. Sorry if it's like, yeah. Oh no! I don't have an outlet. Whatever. Oh. Alright, let's go off on low. It's so powerful. Oh my. Dude, this is the next generation of a fan. Yep. Let's try medium. And it's so powerful. And I guess high. Well, it's not moving that much air. I understand. Like, you're supposed to move some air? I guess that works. Yeah. Work, you stupid thing. Oh, now it's not working. I don't know why.